How to change your Roblox avatar. So first, just simply go to Roblox website and click on avatar. And now as you can see, my avatar is pretty basic. So if you want to change it, you could go to the marketplace right here on the top to pick some items. So you could go and check some paid items if you want, but if you want free items, go to the left side right here, then go to price and put 0 on the maximum right here. Then just simply click on go. And now just simply pick any options that you want. So once you're done picking, just simply go to your avatar again, and now just pick any of the items that you've added. So just simply click on that item, let's say, and as you can see, it will automatically be added, and just mess with it around first. Now, as you can see, I've added some stuff, and now my avatar is looking like this. And now you could go to any game, and your avatar will look like that. That's how you basically change your Roblox avatar.